everyone, this is Granny Josie. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to do an unboxing of two boxes that I received from my favorite eBayer that I usually buy maybe 75% of my jewelry from. Anyway, both of these boxes are of crosses, and you know, if you've watched my videos, you know I love crosses, and I even love making the jewel crosses. So I just wanted to show you a little of what I got, and hope you enjoy this. Now, first of all, I removed this. This was together. I love this necklace, and I will probably put it up in my pop-up, but I thought it looked better without the cross. It's beautiful. It's cool to the touch, has a toggle clasp, and I love the cross. I'm going to put the cross on another chain because I am going to keep the the cross, excuse me. And I just love this. But I have lots of chains, so I will put that one on a chain. And it's really a fascinating group of chains. Some I will keep myself. Some actually there's a few that I will use for crafts. And some I will put up for sale. This is a stretch bracelet, has crosses, has turquoise blue stones, very pretty. Just a kind of a neat box. Here's another one. And I got a great price on these, so I was really thrilled. Beautiful crosses. And she even puts extra pieces, like I have some wood crosses, and I will probably use these for crafts. And I love this. I'm going to put a chain on this one. Some I will keep, like I said, and some I will put in my pop-ups or just use for crafts. And there was only one piece out of all of these that had a missing stone. This seller on eBay is absolutely fantastic. And like I said, I have lots of chains, so I was not upset that some didn't come with chains. Here's a little one. Just all very different. This one has a really nice chain. Okay. Okay, this is really neat. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very pretty. And then there's cross earrings that are new on the card. The seller outdoes herself. Now this one's kind of weird. I have to say this one is really not to my liking, but you know, you're not gonna like every single thing you get. Here's another one. I like that. And here's a really nice one. And this one's a neat keychain. And I like what it says on the back of it. It says, "Put on the full armor of God, the shield of faith." Isn't that beautiful? And here is, now I love the cross. I will put a different chain on this one. I'm not crazy about the chain. The cross is beautiful. It's shiny and very nice metal. And here is another one. Here's a very, very large one. Now again, I know the chain actually matches, but I don't like the chain on it, so I will put a nicer chain. Isn't that beautiful? But I don't know. I just really am not crazy about this chain. So I will change that out. And this is neat. It's more of a choker style, and they're all little crosses. It's really very nice. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's try the second box. And again, I got some wooden crosses that I will use. Oh, and I love this. I collect crosses, so this lot really, I do sell them once in a while, but okay, we're tangled here. Most of the time I do keep the crosses. This is another one of my favorites. Isn't that beautiful? Love those. And here's a really nice, beautiful one with Jesus nailed to the cross. Wow. Beautiful. And this is another neat one. There's some really unusual ones that I've never seen before. And this is a beautiful one. I just need to put a chain on it. Isn't that pretty? I am just really happy. This lady is just outdoes herself sometimes. Okay. As I've told you before, I have two favorite sellers on eBay. And these ladies know me well, and they're really good to me. Here's another beautiful one. Isn't that pretty? Oops. Now this one, it's black with a, black bead. I'm not really crazy about it, but it is very nice. I think with maybe a white top or blouse, it would be really nice. It is beautiful though. Here's another one. So many different ones. Look at this one. Isn't that nice? And I like, now this one's black, and I really like this one. I would probably keep this one. Beautiful. And these are two separate lots, and I have to say, out of the two separate lots, there was only one cross that had one missing stone. So that's pretty good. Well, I got just a chain all tangled up here. I won't take the time to untangle it. I will show you the cross though. Very nice. Here's another one. Lots of crosses. Here's a black one. Now this is really different. I have not seen one like this before. It's clear. And there's a little tiny one right there. I won't bother taking that. Now this is gorgeous. It's huge, but look at it. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. Here's another one. beautiful. If you're interested in any of these, just let me know. I could make you a good deal. Isn't that beautiful? Like I said, I will keep a few, but not all of them. Love that one too. And here's a really beautiful one on a black chain. Isn't that nice? This one is stainless steel. I just have to put a chain on it. Very, very heavy. And this is very different. Anyway, that's what I got from the two lots. I just wanted to share with you, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, or like I said, you might be interested in one, just make a comment down below. But this is basically an unboxing. I just wanted to show you what I got. So have a great day and see you soon. Bye.